Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting video lined up for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel.
Guys, in this video, we will be learning what is break statement in Python. What is break statement in Python, why we are using and how we can implement break statement in Python. We will be covering 2 points. First, break statement with for loop and second, break statement with while loop. Let's implement it. So, what we are going to do, we are going to take one variable to get the sum, that is sum 0. One index we need, okay, to iterate, to refer the index, okay. Index for what? We are going to take one list, okay. That is a very simple list wherein we are going to set few elements which will be loop through, okay, right. So this is our list. We are going to loop through this list. To loop through this list, we are going to use for loop, use for loop, for f in list, right. We are looping through the list and we are going to check a condition if sum, our sum variable plus f both greater than equals to 50, then we are saying just terminate the loop, okay. We don't need to sum the value, else just sum all the elements, right. Sum equals to sum plus f, it will accumulate the value, okay. And we are going to print what is the index in the current iteration and sum, okay. In the last line we are going to increase the index with 1. Either you can do this way or you can say index plus equals 1. This is same statement, okay. Let's run the program. If you see at the first position when it comes, the sum was 2, right, because this condition was not true. The sum is still 2, okay. It did not reach to this statement, this line. It went to this else condition, then did the sum, okay. 0 plus 2 2, then in the second step it came, okay, still this condition is false. 2 plus 4 is 6 in the second index, then it came to third condition, 6 plus 6 still 12, it is not true. Then it went to this statement, then it said 12, okay. When it comes to 45 on the 6th index, right, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, then it checks, okay. Now sum is 45, 45 plus 98, it would be greater than 50. Then this condition was true and it terminated the loop, okay, with break statement. It came here and it did not printed anything after this index, right. It terminated the loop, okay. The rest item was terminated, these three item was terminated. That is why this line was not printed after 9, okay. Till 9 on this position the sum was 45. It is our 6th position in the index, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now let's see how we can get the same output using while loop, okay. Instead of for loop, how we can get the same output using while loop. So what we have to do, we have to just remove this condition and say while. It will keep running true until our f, it means list, okay, index would be the same for this, right, okay. Nothing we have changed here, just we have changed. Let's run the program again. You see the output is same. For while loop, we have to put the condition, right? So you have seen how we can use break statement with using for loop and while loop.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.